team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage E, Stephen. Stephen rode as fast as he could up the steep hill. The sky was getting darker and more menacing. He did not have much time. As he pedaled harder, his legs started to ache. He only had one last letter to deliver, then he would be free to continue up the road to his home. He was excited about dinner. His mum had prepared his favorite meal, pizza. Questions. What was Stephen doing? What is meant by the word menacing as it is used in the text? Why didn't Stephen have much time? Why did Stephen's legs hurt? Why was Stephen excited? Now let's check the answers. What was Stephen doing? We know that Stephen was delivering letters or mail. It says he only had one last letter to deliver. What is meant by the word menacing as it is used in the text? Three possible answers here. We could say that menacing means ominous or threatening. Or we could explain its meaning and say that the weather will turn bad soon. Why didn't Stephen have much time? Well, we know that the weather was going to get worse. It says the sky was getting darker and more menacing. Why did Stephen's legs hurt? They hurt because he was pedaling hard. It says as he pedaled harder, his legs started to ache. It also says that Stephen rode as fast as he could up the steep hill. Why was Stephen excited? Because his mum had prepared his favorite meal, pizza. Thank you for your time. How did you go?